Um, the first hit of my college career was inside ball, and I don't like inside pitches. And I don't know, I took it, and I took it to right field, and it was like a shot. And I was like, oh my gosh, I was freaking out. I was jumping up. I was so excited and so pumped. It was an awesome feeling. Like, I can't even explain it. Great feeling for the first hit, just to be like that good, because the very first at bat I had wasn't great, and then I came back with that, so it made it much better. It was the first college I ever visited, and Coach Herm and Coach Hall, when she was here before, they just made it awesome for me, and I love the campus. It's like a home to me. It's like a second home, and I just fell in love with everything and all the girls and stuff. Well, there's two things. Most people don't know that I'm black, white, and Indian. They all think I'm like Hispanic or something. And then also I have ADD, but I keep myself composed unless I'm with the girls. And it's a whole different story. I'm just spazzing out. It's just fun. I just open up to them, and people, I can control it. And coach is always like, Sloan, control it. I'm like, okay. And I just calm down real quick. It's just they don't know that about me. I'm undecided right now, but I would like to be a personal trainer and like a fitness instructor and stuff. So I'm leaning towards exercise phys, but it's going to be tough. Definitely tough.